Alrighty. Question number 34. Two friends went to a restaurant and ordered 1 plain pizza and 2 sodas. Their bill totaled to $15.95. Later that day, 5 friends went to the same restaurant and they ordered 3 plain pizzas and each person had 1 soda. If each person had 1 soda, that means they got 5 soda because there's 5 of them. Their bill totaled $45.90. Write and solve a system of equations to determine the price of 1 plain pizza. So a system of equations tells us 2. I'll start underlining and then we'll just start moving on this one. 2 friends, I don't care. Those 2 friends, they ordered 1 plain pizza and 2 sodas, and their total was $15.95. Next, later that day, the 5 friends went to the same restaurant. They ordered 3 pizzas, and each person had 1 soda, so that's 5 sodas, and they totaled $45.90. So now that we've underlined the important bits of this, we just have to make equations. So I'll say P for pizza, S for soda, and then I can just start doing it. They got 1 plain pizza, so 1 pizza, plus 2 sodas, so 2S, and their total was equal to $15.95. Next, these 5 friends, they ordered 3 pizzas, so 3P, plus each person had a soda. There were 5 people, plus 5 sodas, makes a total of $45.90. $45.90. And next, we just need to go about solving the system of equations. We're trying to find the price of pizza. So that might be nice to go into substitution mode. You just, get the P all by itself and plug things in. But I found a lot of students really like elimination method, so we'll do that for now. Maybe I'll make another video where we do substitution method instead. Whichever you prefer. But here I'll do elimination. I see the P's, it's a 1 and a 3. The S's are a 2 and a 5. So even though I'm trying to get P by itself, I think I'm going to eliminate these first just because it's going to be so much easier. If I multiply the whole top by -3, that should get these 2 to cancel, the P's. So let's do that. I'll multiply the whole top by -3. -3 times 1, I'll do below in black my method that's been switched so I can eliminate. We'll make -3P. -3 times 2S is going to be -6S. And -3 times 15.95, let's get a calculator on this one. It's, where's that from? 15.95 times -3. Oh, I think that's literally what I just had up. Is -47.85. -47.85. And now these 2 things are ready to eliminate, right? The P's, I got a +3, -3 on P's. They're ready to eliminate each other. So let's add these 2 functions together and see how it goes. These cancel by design. That's why we chose the -3. And then 5 plus -6 is going to be -1S equals whatever this is. 45.9 minus 47.85. 45.9 minus 47.85 gets me -195. So -1.95. I can't really have negative sodas or negative monies, but that's okay because this -1 with this -1.5, -1.95, that will cancel, and I really get that a single soda is $1.95. So that's great. We found the soda price, but they want us to find the pizza price. So what I need to do now is I got to take this S and I got to plug it back into one of my 2 original equations. Now you can choose either one. I'm going to choose the top one just because it's got smaller numbers and those are kind of nicer to deal with. So I'll rewrite that in red, and wherever I plug in the S, I'll change that back to black. So I've got 1 pizza plus 2, instead of 2 sodas, I know that sodas cost $1.95, so plus 2 times $1.95 should equal $15.95. Should equal $15.95. And now I just got to do some inverse operations, some basic two-step equations to solve for this. Let's start by doing 2 times $1.95. Let's not play around with decimals. 2 times $1.95. $3.90. So I've got 1p plus $3.90 equals nothing changed there, 15.95. To solve and get p by itself, I need to subtract away that 3.9 to both sides. Those cancel. And I'm left with 1p. Well, 1p is really just p, right? And 1595 minus 390. 1595 minus 390. By the way, I'm going too fast. Like, pause the video, right? Feel free to pause, go back wherever you need to. No harm in that. 12.05 is my answer. 12.05. And that is $12.05 for one pizza. They're not asking me to explain or justify anything. It just says write and solve the system to determine the price of one pizza. We found that a pizza cost $12.05. That's our answer. That's full credit right there.